All right, guys, today we are working on a Tesla Model X. Now this one is pretty much dead. It was in a nasty accident. But what I'm trying to do is I have a customer that wants to buy this door from me. So I'm in the process of pulling this door off. It's in a state right now where there's an actual emergency release cable that comes, if you pop the grill off on the interior panel right here, there's a little cable that you can pull, and that will make it so the door will unlock. That's the emergency unlock for these Falcon doors if the battery to die or if you're in a car accident. And then you can literally pull the door up. So what I want this door panel right here. So I'm gonna start off by unbolting or taking this little screw out right here. Then if I come in here, I got, looks like two, possibly 13 or 15 millimeter bolts right here. And then I got two more on the opposite side. And then probably some wires that I need to, right here on the side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. And then we'll pull the big 15 millimeter bolts off. And this little star or Torx bolt is a T25. And so we're gonna start with that. So that came out pretty simple. Just gonna set it here and run to the other side. We're gonna pull this guy out right here. Loosen this puppy up. All right, we're gonna try to get into some wiring here. So I got this loom that comes up and it looks like it connects up here. So I got my little trim tab puller. We're just gonna work. I might even be able to, there we go. So I ended up pulling it off of this part, and then it comes down the side right here, and then it actually connects in, uses this bolt as a negative to ground the door, and then it had a bunch of pigtails right here. So I just pulled the wiring harness completely off. So now we're gonna go to these four bolts that we have, and so I'm gonna pull out these two, and then I got two more on the opposite side that we're gonna pull out. All right, so yeah, literally taking out those two 13 millimeters right there and the two 13 millimeters right there, the whole door just came loose. And obviously be careful. It is advised to have an extra set of hands there to help you pull it down. But yeah, that pulled the door right off. And so that was very easy. I'm actually shocked how easy that was. All right, folks, that is definitely a DIY. And that is not too difficult to do.